Yes, my people. What's good? You know, me come across a video with a youth, a brother said they wishfully deport him from America to Jamaica because he is not a Jamaican. He's American, born American.
Me say you're doing this thing for joke. What you really saying?
No, man, I serious something, you know. Alright, watch this. I think I'll lie me at it. Watch this.
Trevor Anthony Grant. I'm a United States citizen born in Camden, New Jersey. On about the 2nd of March 2023, I was leaving a girl's house. Apparently, ICE was looking for someone that used to stay at that address. After leaving the house, I went to a gas station. ICE pulled upon me and asked me, do I know Mr. Nicely? In reply, I said no. Well, we got into a little bit of dispute to where I used some euphemism such as go climb shut fuck mountain. I was busy, right? And he got offended. So we started arguing with each other. Look, I'm a federal officer, and then again, I'm like, I don't care nothing about you being a federal officer. So he arrested me, took me to Montgomery County Processing Center. While in Montgomery Processing Center, to be fair, ICE do have the right to hold you up to 90 days for investigation. Upon the completion of that 90 days, Mr. Carlos Pinero, the ICE officer, came to me and said, look, if I let you out of here and you come after me, I'm going to come after you with everything I got. So, by the way, you still have that attorney? In reply, I says no, and that's when everything went downhill. He kept me in ICE detention facility for 23 months.
Oh, God.
Now, Montgomery County have a policy that ICE can only hold you up to 2 years.
Right.
Now, 2 days short of the eve of those 2 years, ICE came up with travel documents. Now, mind me, ICE been trying to get travel documents from the Jamaican consulate for 2 years and have not gotten them. So I'm highly suspicious if these travel documents to kick a United States citizen out of the country is legal. I had an interview with the Jamaican consul, Mr. Burton, at which time Mr. Burton came to the conclusion I'm not from Jamaica. I'm not from Jamaica.
What can go so? What can go so? Tell me.
Did he give any documentation to say that?
Say that? No, well, they don't do that. They simply have an interview with you over the phone, and he makes a determination there based on the information you give him and the information back here.
Fuck that again, you know.
I couldn't give him any information for Jamaica because this is my first time being in Jamaica. Went to the Houston Consul General office, and I had an interview with that lady, Miss Johnson, I believe is her last name. At which time Miss Johnson also came to the conclusion I'm not a Jamaican citizen.
Here again, my God.
So she was more so reluctant to send documents. She is now over the Miami office. So, as I stated before, the travel documents to kick me out the country is highly questionable, seeing that they've been trying for 2 years to get those documents.
What the way, Master?
And up on the eve of me being released, all of a sudden the documents popped up.
My God.
They say this is your first time in Jamaica.
This is my first time in Jamaica.
Do you have any Jamaican relatives?
Ma'am, I don't have no Jamaican relatives.
Here now, my God. Here again.
Like I said, this is my first time here. I love the Highlands. I love the hills. My God, this reminds me of California. But like I said, you know, I'm an Israelite. I'm also a minister. You know, all things happen according to the purpose of God will. I also have vision being in a country preaching the gospel. So maybe this is it.
You said you wanted to find a church.
Yes, I'm a Jew. I'm looking for a Jewish organization or any church to start my ministry. And what it's going to be a doozy because I'm touched by God Almighty.
You said you'll be going to Reddit's. A friend put you up.
Yeah, a friend gave me a place in Reddit's to stay for a couple of days. So,
you know, that where are you looking after that? Where are you looking at?
Well, I don't know, whatever the Lord have, the Lord had that man prepared for me. I just came out of him, and I thank God for that because a lot of folks come out here, they ain't got no place to stay, but the good Lord have this man right here say, hey, you can come stay with me. I also explained my situation to the ICE officer in
here?
Yeah, well, to the ICE officer on the plane.
Okay.
And their response was, hey, you know, if your story is true, and the Jamaican government determined that you're not a Jamaican citizen, we will take you, put you back on the plane. Unfortunately, they left before I finished the interview.
Oh, God.
To know what Donald Trump is doing to black Americans in America.
Yeah,
I'm not
you
the
touched on that
first.
before. You touched on
I'm
that
not the first. I'm not the first, and I won't be the last. There was also another individual that was in ICE. I think it was about 9 months ago. ICE locked him up for 9 months.
Rasclat, man.
You know, he hired a lawyer. You know, these lawyers, man, they charging you 10,000, 15,000.
Now wickedness, you know, man, right?
Look, I don't have 10,000 to pay. And even if I had 10,000 to pay, I'm not gonna pay.
Damn right.
You know, it's not that big of a deal. You know, the law is the law. The documents prove fingerprints don't lie. You know, you and I can look alike, but you and I would never, you and I would never have the same biometric fingerprint. And my biometric is not Mr. Nicely, which and I already showed that to you. So that in itself tell you that something very, very shady is going on.
Yes, it's true. You're talking.
That someone needs to get to the bottom of this. And I'm hoping that by you bringing this to light, you know, attorney here or attorney there will hear about it and step to the plate.
Okay, family. You hear the man, right? What do you think about that? Right? No feel like I lie the man at tell? Because he want to go back to America. Judge, I tell you, it's rough still, you know? You know what I mean? It's rough though. You see them, you know, the right country, you born and grow. And them dip you and in a different country, you know, nobody and stuff like that. It rough, me not lie. It hard, you know? It rough. Judge. But I tell you, when you're black in some place, no brother, when you say you're black, you stay back. You know what I mean? So some of them white folks, they believe in it, and that's what them deal with black people, you know. Because them feel like, say, yo, America for them, get me, I say? Because them now show the parts that them come capture it, you know, and thief and they come see people before, you know. Even see them black people, them come see them, but it show them brainwash you until a lot of things, you know, teach them something there. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, so, maybe you want to office, you know. Yeah, man, it's like something going on in the comment and share that thing. You see me, I say? But anyway, I do so, you know, so, watch, you know, we'll link up, alright? And one more thing, we just hope and pray the man things work out for him so he can get to go back to the United States. Alright? Good. Love Topic TV.
You serious?